My name is Rochelle Keturah Baptiste. And about 6 years ago, I had a dream that I saw a wound down the center of my back. I got up from the seat to be able to look in the mirror to figure out where this comes from. And then in that second, I realized the wound disappeared. And so I had a choice to make. Either I could pretend that the wound was never there and go about the rest of my day, or I could investigate further because I know what I saw. I chose to pretend that the wound was not there and go about the rest of my day. I realized that that dream was a metaphor for the way I was living my life. I was living my life very inauthentically. I was pretending all of the time, pretending not to know that my husband was being unfaithful, pretending to be in agreement with my religion and their way of excluding people from the community, pretending to be okay with my friends who were bullying people, and even pretending to not know when there were folks who had ill feelings toward me. And you know what? Pretending is exhausting and painful. And so I decided I was going to live an authentic life. And so I divorced my husband of over 20 years. I withdrew myself from the community and from that friend circle. And I decided to stop performing to stay in the good graces of people that I knew did not have my best interest in their hearts. And so now I am the happiest I have ever been. I have made room for friends who handle me with care. I'm in a community that empowers you to tend to the wounds of others, even when you are bleeding yourself. And that dream that I had, the dream that showed me how inauthentic I was being in my sleep, that dream is now the one that has caused me to live the life of my dreams, right? It is painful to realize that you have been living inauthentically, but there is something you can do about it, and I can help. I am an authenticity coach. And if you work with me, I can help you to move past your fears and to connect you with the life that you know is yours perfectly. My website is roketurah.com. And I think that it's time. You know that it's time. The life that is yours when you begin to behave authentically is waiting on you. Be you. Be you joyfully. I can't wait to help you do that. Again, it's roketurah.com, and I'm excited for you.